Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to change Spotify country in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open your web browser because we can't actually do it inside the Spotify app. So you're going to need to go to the Spotify website. To do this, open up a web browser. Just open up a website and just over to the website spotify.com and then log in your account first. So if you scroll down here, you'll see your username, email, birthday, and the country. So you'll see the country that you created your account in. And if you go to edit profile, it may or may not let you change your country. If it doesn't let you change it down here, then what you need to do is you need to go to user account overview. Then scroll down here and you need to go to your payment settings. So click on update and then inside of your payment settings, you can change your country, whatever country you're now in. And this is the only really if you're moving permanently to a country. So update your payment and here choose what country you will change. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.